European cars. So this looked like it's gonna be a cool little video. I hope you guys like and subscribe. Make sure you guys share the channel. Make sure you guys go down below and join the Patreon. And go check out my website, Moral Society. But yeah, we got another day, man. We about to just be on the road. We about to go chill, man. And right now I'm on the road. And then once we get towards the San Francisco Bay Bridge, man, I'm gonna show you guys a nice scene of it. But hope you guys all having a blessed day. I hope everybody's having a great day. And also today, the vinyl wrap comes to my house. So as soon as we get done with this car meet, coming back to the house, and I'm about to wrap the Mustang. It's about to be fucking epic. It's gonna be fucking sexy. Stay tuned for that video. And yeah, let's have a great time. Like I said, make sure you guys like and subscribe, man. Chase y'all dreams. Don't let nobody tell you what you can and can't do. Period. We out.
Yeah. I feel it coming, man. I feel it coming more closer, man. I see it in my sleep. And I got it right now. Yeah. Living my life, I'm too cool, my mind going insane. I wanna win this game, bro. Can't even think straight. No more drinking, can't do that shit no more. Gotta go hard for my soul and everything I love. I put it on this music. If you understand me, but I understand everything that I work for. It's family, bro. It's fam for life. No more failure in my life. I'm about to go hard every day, every night. Flying on a different jet got me feeling cooler. Flying somewhere, man, the air so cooler. I'm a Cali boy, but I live in Little Ruler.
We are out here. There's so many goddamn European cars. But damn, check out the Ferrari, GTR, everything's here. Beautiful. Sky's beautiful. Oh my God. Damn, this is crazy, yo. Oh my God. Alright, so we finally pulled up to the location, man. There's so many cars. Oh, look at that. Type R's on the Type R's here. Her shit hard, nigga. Oh my gosh. Look at that shit right there. That's hard. Woo. So many cars, bro. Damn.
Oh, is that a piston? That's a fucking, I think that's
Oh, it is. Damn. Oh my gosh, bro. That shit's hard. Damn, bro. Shit's sick. Look at that shit.
Must be nice.
Oh my gosh. Look at that Ferrari right there. That's looking super sick. Oh, look at that Lambo coming in, bro. That shit hard as shit. That Venador, bro. That Venador. Oh no, that's a Huracan. We gotta keep it moving, bro. There's so many fucking cars, bro. Look at that RX-7 right there. Damn, man. Sheesh.
Is the quality good, Jerry?
That's just hard.
Wow.
That's hard. Place. There's so many fucking cars here, bro. Everything is here, man. That's just everything. That's just sexy, bro. There's so many fucking cars here that I can't explain it. That Porsche is so hard. That GT. Oh my God. Man. Sheesh. This is insane. Insane, man. All the arrows. Damn.
Oh yeah.
Look at that carbon hood right there. God damn.
Oh my God, it's good.
Hold on, I'm about to go over here. Damn, bro, look at that hood. Carbon fiber hood. That shit's hard. And the carbon fiber roof.
I can't wait to have my hood, bro.
That shit's hard, man. Damn.
No, it's just the carbon just busting.
GTR, boys.
Oh my fucking god.
Oh my gosh.
Oh
Sheesh. Oh my gosh. Damn. Now you know I gotta show you guys the GTR though.
bro.
Damn.
Bro. And then the cherry blossom on that fucking.
Make sure you guys go follow my little brother on Instagram. Oh, Nismo versions, huh?
That shit is wet.
Damn. Woo. That shit's hard. Damn. Oh, so we finally pulled up to the location. Zon, explain to him.
Y'all, this shit is packed. It's like,
How is it,
I
bro?
feel like I'm at Wake Forest. But like, I know I said that before, but I really needed this.
Hey,
time.
go follow my little bro too. Follow him on Instagram, man. I'm gonna put his little Instagram up here. Make sure you guys show him some love. He's a part of the Euro gang. Well, you got Instagram? Wait,
Nah.
Well, you don't got Instagram? All right, don't follow him because he don't got one.
Snapchat though.
He got Snapchat, so all the bad bitches that follow me, make sure you guys go ahead to my bro, man. He's single, he's available. And if you got a girlfriend, then oh well. That's just hard, bro. That's just hard. Hey, fresh kicks right there. Man, this is hard.
Oh my god, it's the hardest one.
Oh my God, Jeremiah, if you want to get some shit like this,
Jeremiah, if you get a car like this, nigga,
Look.
I'm gonna be mad.
Have you seen the seats I'm gonna get for my car?
this is hard. This is drop top level hard right here, though.
You make your car
These
like this,
Johns right here.
Bro, it's so fucking lit out here, bro. I'm so
I'm about
glad.
to hang the phone up, bro. I'm about to hang the phone up.
There's so many cars, man. Glad I came to this car show. God damn, the Euro game is crazy, man. God damn. This girl looking right here.
Oh god.
Damn. Check that shit out right there. Sheesh. That shit right there is hard. That shit's hard, bro. I'm gonna walk. Oh yeah, this is it. Bro, all these. Oh, this orange one bust right here.
Oh my god. HRE?
Shit. Damn, bro.
The HRE.
Shit. Check that thing out right there. Oh my god, that shit's so hard, bro. That color right here? Bro, that's hard. Damn. Woo. This the next car. Yeah. Seen that one. Yeah, this one I'm buying next, bro. Couple of months, bro. It's going down. You already know, bro. Gonna kill the game. Bro, that's my next car. That's the next car, y'all. All right, how you doing? Damn, bro, this shit hard, bro. Or should I get an R8?
What kind of question is that? What the fuck? R8.
R8? Because I do want a Euro too. I could get an R8, bro. The first gen.
If you really ask me, R8 or anything,
I just want to sit in it. I don't even want to drive. I just want to sit in it.
that's how I feel about the GTR. So let me take a seat in it, bro.
Oh, the
Let me take a seat and just relax.
Murcielago. This gotta be the Marci.
Yeah, it
Yep.
is.
Murcielago, bro.
You said what?
Yeah. Man, look at this shit, bro. It's fucking intense here. There's so many fucking cars. Every fucking rear. Oh my gosh. Damn. Bro, it's like insane. Damn, bro. I hate these Supras, but fuck, bro. Look at that thing. Woo! GTR gang right there. Hey!
What's up, brother?
This right here?
I don't know.
Bruh, that shit hard.
I want a Subi. That's the next video. I was behind him.
That motherfucker hard right
Still
there.
hasn't found parking, bro.
Hold on. Oh my god. Look at this.
This probably the most expensive car I said.
What the?
Ask him.
Bro, this shit is insane here, bro. Every fucking car, but the most expensive car at this motherfucking location is right motherfucking there. In fucking insane. Oh my gosh, bro. Jesus Christ. Damn, check this shit out. Damn. Fuck, bro. Sheesh. That shit's hard, bro. That shit's hard, bro. Damn, look at that thing. All that carbon. That's hard. Damn, this is nice too. They got some cool shit, bro. They got some cool shit. Alright, bro. That interior is so fucking nice. That shit's nice. Whew. See, I want to do red too, bro. That shit's hard. Damn, there's hella cars here, bro. Everything in this motherfucker. Type R's, everything here. Fuck, bro.
I don't even want to see what that thing.
Right. That's hard, bro. Ooh. Check that thing out, man. Super sick. That's hard, bro. I fucks with that.
On the first, but I cracked them, so I had to throw these on.
Right. No, damn, these wheels are hard.
Yeah, I see. I was like, so
Damn.
I went ahead and
Oh, that's hard. Damn, this shit's hard. Damn, this is hard, bro. Well, at least I say I could drive it. I mean, I drove it.
One day.
I did drove it.
One day I'll own it.
Sexy. That shit hard. Oh shit, I'm gonna smack this shit. Sheesh. AMG GT. That's just hard. Hey, that's
Expensive.
bruh. They still in the 100Ks. I was looking at it. I was like, let me try this. R34s. Insane. Oh my fucking god. Sheesh. Oh my fucking god.
That shit's beautiful.
Oh, bruh. Oh my fucking god. And the wheels go so fucking hard.
That thing's beautiful.
Look at that thing. This is insane. Design, trade your 350, change your 370 for this.
If I could afford it, I would.
You can't afford it if you got the mindset. I love all NSX. I don't give a fuck what year. If I can get one,
I like it. I like all of it.
fuck, man. We just change those chrome wheels to something else. We good.
Gunmetal.
Oh my god, look at that roof. Carbon roof.
Yep, gunmetal gray. The lip is chrome.
Sheesh. Dreams, y'all. These shit's like 200 something thousand. Oh, you got the Recaro seats. Oh, that's hard. Damn. Something about that red, man. That shit's hard. I like that. That shit's hard, bro.
Ooh, the Nismo 350.
That shit's hard. Well, it's not hard. Let me stop saying hard. I keep saying everything's hard. Bro, I gotta get bronze wheels on every car I get. I'm gonna get bronze wheels.
Oh yeah, for sure. When I get my work license, that would have
That shit's fucking hard. Are you good, bro? Oh yeah. That's hard, man. Sheesh, that S2000 Bruce. Here it goes. It's my car I'm about to buy next in a couple of months. In a couple of months. Bro, in a couple of fucking months, I'm gonna get my dream car. I might shoot my shot in November on my birthday. I think I might do that, Zion. On my birthday in November, just go shoot my shot.
oh yeah.
And go get my shit. Mr. Organic told me to go get it, so you know what I'm saying? I'm about to go get it. Let's do it.
That's why I like
Right.
because there's
Not that much.
Besides
Oh
right
my god,
here.
my other dream car.
Oh, the million green.
Oh my God. Woo. The new M3. It's hard as shit. That's hard. Damn, bruh. Damn, she got the yams. Oh my God. Let me put that on my camera so I can watch it when I get home. Jack off.
Hella dumb, bro.
Bro, you hear the sound of that? Damn. It's so hard. Oh, it's a Liberty Walk GTR. Oh, bro, this sounds better. This sounds harder, bro. This sounds way better. Damn, that shit hard. My dream car, y'all. Damn. Oh, wide body 240.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Jeez. That shit's hard, bro. Damn, that shit's hard. Bruh. That shit's hard, bro. 240 wide body? What the motherfucking fuck? Damn, bruh. Bruh, that shit's hard. But fuck. Woo. Bro, that shit better than the GTR, bro. That shit so way better. I told you, Zon. Zon, I told you, bro. I told you, bro. Oh my God. Jeez. That shit's hard, bro. Yep. I told you. Zon. Liberty Walk GTR. This is the first one I've seen in person with the Liberty Walk.
This is Picas. You've seen it before.
Oh, okay, never mind. Fuck. Sheesh. Damn. That's hard. That's motherfucking hard. Finally made it back to the crib. I mean, finally made it back to the cars. Man, what a fucking day.
Fuck, you know,
Man.
gunshots, bro.